How to Make Money by Being Lazy. A very honest guide for comfortable people who want wealth without discomfort. By Master Joshua. Introduction. This article is not for everyone. If you are comfortable where you are, if you enjoy talking about money more than building it, if your biggest business plan is God will do it, this article will offend you. And that is intentional, because wealth does not respect comfort, and money avoids lazy thinking like a plague. Now, if you truly want to make money by being lazy, follow the steps below religiously. The Foolproof Lazy Manifesto. 1. Sleep every morning and wake up at 10 a.m. Because billion-dollar ideas hate sunlight and only appear after brunch. Morning discipline is overrated. Sleep is vision, right? The bed has buried more destinies than the grave. Master Joshua. 2. Scroll aimlessly on social media for 6 hours a day. Your thumb is working overtime. Surely the universe counts that as productivity. After all, watching people succeed is almost the same as succeeding. 3. Avoid learning anything new. You already know enough. New skills might expose how outdated your mindset is, and that would be painful. Stay safe, stay ignorant, stay broke. 4. Watch motivational videos without taking action. Consume inspiration like entertainment. Action is stressful, dopamine is easier. Just keep watching. One day, motivation will do the work for you. Motivation without execution is self-deception. Master Joshua. 5. Avoid mentors because God will help me. Yes, let's spiritualize irresponsibility. God sends helpers, systems, and teachers, but you're waiting for a miracle that requires no discipline. Faith without work is not faith, it's fantasy. 6. Post once a month and expect viral growth. Show up inconsistently and expect the algorithm to pity you. Surely success will reward your occasional appearance. 7. Wait for capital to fall from heaven, because effort is overrated, and somehow money is supposed to chase people who refuse to move. Dream big, work small. 8. Reject sales and marketing because it's not my calling. You want money, but you don't want to communicate value, persuade, or solve problems. Interesting. If you cannot sell, you will always serve those who can. Master Joshua. 9. Hide your skills like they're state secrets. No one knows what you do. Not the market, not your network, not even you, but you're waiting to be discovered. 10. Refuse to invest in personal branding. Your WhatsApp still says, "Hi, I'm using WhatsApp," and your bank account is saying the same thing. Visibility costs effort, so invisibility becomes your brand. 11. Compare yourself to influencers instead of building yourself. Jealousy is cheaper than consistency. Watch them win. Criticize their process. Ignore your own lack of discipline. 12. Say I don't have time while watching 10 skits back to back. You don't lack time. You lack priority. Your future is competing with your entertainment, and entertainment is winning. 13. Keep asking what can I sell instead of trying something. Analysis paralysis is now your hustle. Planning feels productive. Action feels risky. So, you stayed planning and stay poor. Now let's ruin your comfort completely. Imagine doing the exact opposite of everything you just read. Waking up early, learning daily, taking messy action, selling value confidently, posting consistently, building skills and visibility, being uncomfortable on purpose. Imagine the difference in 90 days. Laziness keeps you dreaming. Discipline makes you dangerous. Final truth, this one stings. You are not poor because of the economy. You are not broke because of your background. You are not stuck because of your village people. You are exactly where your habits have placed you, and until discomfort becomes normal, wealth will remain a distant story. Closing quote. Lazy people want money to change their lives. Disciplined people change their lives and money follows. Master Joshua. How to Make Money by Being Lazy. By Master Joshua, your financial advisor and advocate. Author of The Master Guide to Building Wealth.